Welcome, this is Mark at TinStar Engine Rebuilder, located at 930 East Clarendon in the heart of Dallas, by the Dallas Zoo. We rebuild all types of engines, whether it's gas, diesel, small block or long, for your trucks, cars, and RVs. Whether it's domestic or foreign, we have you covered. We offer competitive prices, written warranties. TinStar Engine Rebuilders accommodates our customers' request quickly in a very cost-effective way. With our quality parts and craftsmanship, your broken down ride will be running at a fraction of the cost of a new engine or new car. We back your engine with 19 years of experience and our written ironclad parts and labor 1-year warranty. Call us now and we will even tow your broken down ride to our facility at no cost to you. TinStar Engine Builders are here from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday to serve your automotive needs. Again, located by the Dallas Zoo, convenient to everywhere. Call us today at 214-233-5393. Again, 214-233-5393. That's 214-233-5393. Don't be coyoted by the rest. Call 214-233-5393. On the internet, www.tinstarenginerebuilder.com.